Fix in 5. P0498. EVAP Canister Vent Control Valve. Open circuit. Max 160 chars. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated. EVAP system fault indicated on dashboard. Difficulty refueling or fuel pump stopping prematurely. Fuel odor near vehicle or fuel tank area. Possible slight increase in fuel consumption. Now the most likely causes. EVAP canister vent control solenoid valve stuck open or failed. Wiring or connector issues to vent control solenoid. Fuel vapor line disconnected or leaking. EVAP charcoal canister blockage or malfunction. How to fix it? Replace EVAP canister vent control solenoid valve. Repair or replace damaged fuel vapor hoses. Clean or replace blocked EVAP charcoal canister. Repair wiring or connectors to vent solenoid. The scanner and part side use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45–120 doing it yourself, or €165–240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0498? The cost to fix P0498 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0498. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.